Beta, in our previous video, we talk about the drip magic effect, and then we talk about the rainbow effect. There is two kind of effect, that is called rainbow and real rainbow effect. This is the rainbow. If we want many kind of colors in a drawing, that is called the rainbow, and if we want a arc, then real rainbow. Now we will talk about smudge. That means smudging of many colors, mixing of many colors. So for the step, you will note, draw a few thick multiple colored lines close to each other from the line tool. These line you can get from the line tool. Then what you will do? Then you go to the magic tool and you will just click the smudge effect and your lines become like this. Understand? Now the second thing is the wave effect. This will give the wavy effect to your drawing. How you will get it? Open a file with the blue background, then go to the line tool, background open, then go to the line tool, then choose white and yellow color from the color palette. You can choose other color also. Here white and yellow color has been chosen. You can choose the other color also. Now draw vertical lines as shown in the figure. Now draw the vertical lines as shown in the figure. Now read the instruction given by the penguin carefully. Now penguin is giving that click the, here the some instruction is given for you. Let us click at the bottom of the drawing area to get taller waves effect. If we click bottom, then we will get taller effects. So horizontally waving line you will get, click towards the top and you will get the wavy effects from it. So what will you do? You open a blue or red background, any kind of, then make the lines, draw lines from the line tools. Then you will go to the magic tool, then you will go to the waves effect, and then you will get these wave effect. If you click in the at the bottom, then you will get the more effects. Okay, beta. Now wavelets effects are like this. Just see. And how will you get it? Open a new canvas with the orange background. Then draw horizontal lines using the lines tool. Then select the magic tool. Then waves effect from the selector. Then click on the bottom of the drawing area to add taller waves to your drawing and observe the change. That means open a new canvas, orange background. You may take any other color also. Then draw horizontal lines using the lines tool. Horizontal lines like this. Then you will go to the magic tool, and from magic tool you will go to the wavelets effect and you will get this kind of effect in your drawing. So every time, have you seen, we are going to magic tool, and from the magic tool we are going to various kind of effects, like we can smudge effect, waves effect, and then now wavelets. This is called wavelets effect, wavelets effect, wavelets effect, wavelets effect. Now from these, have you studied smudge effect, waves effect, wavelets effects? Now this is the beautiful drawing that we can make from all these effects. So you can get the grass effect also, smudge here you can use, any kind of effects you can use, and you can make a beautiful painting on your canvas. Now mosaic tools. Mosaic, this is called a mosaic, and again mosaic effect tools is used to apply a pattern of many small colored pieces of stone on the canvas. Now open a new canvas and draw the sunset scene on your or you can select any colored background, whatever you want you may do. Now click the magic tool and select mosaic open. Again magic tool, then mosaic open. Then bring the magical wand to the canvas and click. Now bring the magical wand and click here and you will get this kind of drawing over there. Now kaleidoscope effect. This is called the kaleidoscope effect. And how we will get it? We will get it. This tool is used to create freehand patterns. Any kind of freehand pattern is if we want to make, we use the kaleidoscope tool. So this tool is used to create freehand patterns. The most amazing feature of this tool is that however move the magic wand from the single point, but it draws from all four direction. Wherever you will move the cursor, it will draw from the all direction. So this is very interesting. So you may try at your personal computer. Now emboss tool. Emboss means something something attractive, So the magical tool gives a raised effect to the object from the surface that you have drawn. Select emboss tool. Now what tool you will use? Emboss tool. Now bring the magic wand over the image of the canvas and drag the mouse to emboss the image. Observe the change of the image. Now, lighten tool. What is this? Lighten tool. As the name suggested, this tool is used to lighten the color of any object. Select the lighten subtool in the magic tool. Then draw the magic wand on the half area and other object as shown in the picture. Observe the area become lighter where you have applied the tool. Means you have drawn this much, then where you apply it will become the lighter. Now the main thing is how to delete a drawing. So step you can use: open tool, write down toolbar, write down number 2, number 3 click erase button, number 3 click erase button, number 4 select yes or no. If you select yes, your drawing will be deleted. If you say no, it will not be deleted. Again I am repeating it for you. Open, then click erase, then yes or no. If you say yes, it will be deleted. If you say no, it will not be deleted. The next one is for you printing a drawing. Now you can draw printing a drawing there. So like this, open the drawing that you want to print. Select the print tool in the toolbar. A box appears on the screen. Click on yes to print. Another box will appear to confirm. Once your picture has been printed, click on the OK button. So this is called the printing a drawing. So children, you have learned many things in this chapter. I hope do you like. And if you have PC at home, you must try, because this is a practical chapter. I am sorry. I'll take some YouTube channel to show you these kind of practically, and if I can use Tux Paint somewhere and I must show you. But if you have, you may try at home in best possible way. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.